Alrighty, so this is my existing printer. This is quite a few years old, but I wanted to share this cartridge replacement. I was sent this by the brand and I'm pretty excited to try it out because it's the XL size. So this lasts like way longer and it has all the colors. And I want to try it to see, how well it works, if it's compatible, if it actually will print, or if it'll detect that it is not able to use this cartridge. So let me take these out and put them in the printer. Okay, and then just quick confirmation. So you get one black and then one multicolor. Okay, so these are out of the bag. So you just take this off and take off the label and then just insert them. And just like that. So just putting these in place. So the first time I put it, it says that there was an issue with the cartridge, and it said that the black did have it. And then the color was empty. So I just took them out. I took out the color one, and now that error message went away. And then I'm printing something that has just a bunch of different colors, and this is printing just like nothing. So it didn't like have any error message or anything like that. And then it's reading correctly the levels. So yeah, I mean, this looks good. I am very, very happy about these cartridges. And just to show you, I did use them. I didn't cheat. There they are right there.